Hello friends, today I'll be showing you a corn burfi. This is a very delicious sweet recipe. This is a Indian fudge. It's a dense milk based dessert, so very easy to prepare. So what we have done initially is we have soaked the corn kernels overnight and then we'll be grinding it into a paste. So this is very important step because the corn kernels are very hard, so it needs to be soaked overnight in water. So then we will be grinding it in a mixer jar to make it a paste. So I will be telling you the complete ingredients list in the recipe. So please watch this recipe until the end. So this is the corn paste. So the first step requires the corn paste to be roasted in ghee. So this is the 2 tablespoons of ghee and we have roasted the corn paste in. So we have to roast it completely and we will just take the one corn paste and then we will prepare the burfi. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to receive latest notifications. So as you can see, we have removed one corn paste and this corn paste will be used in the burfi. So now we will be preparing the complete burfi recipe or the Indian fudge. So we are using the mixer just to mix it properly. So after adding the corn paste, we will be adding 1/4 liter, as in ½ liter milk, or as you can see it's a 250 ml of milk, and on the other hand we have added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and then we have added the mixed paste into the pan. So the thing which we have added now, this is the milk cream. So milk cream we have taken 3 tablespoons. This is the normal milk cream which is collected from the milk which we boil and use on a daily purpose. So we have added milk cream now. This is the 3 tablespoons of milk cream which is added into the pan. So this is the corn paste, clarified butter and milk cream. Now we have to cook it continuously to make it thick and dense. So for that, total time will be taken is 20 minutes. So we need to cook it continuously. So to add a color, we have not used any artificial color. What we have used here is we have used turmeric powder. So what we have done here is we have used only half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We have diluted it with a little water and then we have added it to the pan. So this will give it a very good yellow color. So if you want, you can add any artificial color into this recipe. So we have kept this recipe as natural as possible. So we have to cook this mixture for total of 20 minutes and in between we have to keep on mixing it to make it dense. So now we have added the cardamom powder, half teaspoon, to add the flavor to the recipe. So this is a natural flavor which we have added. We have to mix it thoroughly. So in this recipe we have not added sugar, and instead of that we have used jaggery in this recipe. So we have used 125 grams of jaggery in this recipe and we have grated it and kept it. Now we have to, so as we are roasting the mixture, so it will become dense. So now we have added a little more ghee or clarified butter. It's up to you, and you can increase or decrease the quantity of ghee in this recipe, but a little more will add the flavor or the taste to this recipe. So we have added milk cream in this recipe which is collected from the daily milk that we use. So we have to keep stirring it and the flame will be full. Now as you can see, we have added a little more milk. This is an optional too because we have to cook it for a longer time. We will be making it a little, diluting it, and then again, see, as you can see, with over the time it will become a dense mixture. So now we will be adding the jaggery into this recipe. So we have used a total of 125 grams of grated jaggery. We have grated the jaggery and we have added. If you want, you can also use sugar in this recipe, but we have, as I was saying, we have kept this recipe as natural as possible and we have to mix it thoroughly. And now the jaggery will be start to dissolve. As you can see, it has become little diluted now. now we'll be adding the dry fruits. We have used 3 types of dry fruits here: almonds, cashews and pistachios. Now we have chopped the dry fruits in very thin and we have sliced it, and then we have added it. We have kept some for garnishing at the end. Now once it is ready, so we will be adding it into a plate. So now as you can see, a little more, 1 minute is remaining. So we have to keep on stirring so that it doesn't stick to the base. So after this we need to apply clarified butter to a plate, and then we need to pour this mixture into the plate. So I'll be showing you complete recipe, so please watch it until the end. As you can see, we have applied ghee or clarified butter. Now when it is hot, then same time we'll be pouring the mixture into the plate, and we need to settle it, and we need to spread it out. So this is very important. Only when it is hot, then only you have to add. You shouldn't cool it. Once you take it from the store directly, you have to pour it into the plate, and we need to set it using a spoon. You have to completely cool it down for 90 minutes at room temperature. So before that we have added thinly sliced dry fruits, and then we will be using a spoon to press it so that it gets into the burfi of fudge. This is a Indian fudge, which is a dense milk based dessert. So once we do this, so as I was saying, we need complete 90 minutes to cool it down at room temperature. As you can see, it has been cooled now, and now we will be making the cuts and cutting the burfi. So this is a very easy recipe and very delicious too, which can be easily prepared at home. So we need to make it cuts, and then we'll be cutting out the burfis from this. So this is a very delicious corn burfi recipe, which is prepared using fresh corn kernels. We have made a paste of it, and then we have used that paste into this recipe. So as you can see, we have removed the burfi pieces. So if you have liked this recipe, please like it and share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe and tap on the bell icon for latest recipe notifications. So this is the corn burfi perfectly ready, or corn fudge. So keep watching, keep enjoying food, and suggest if you have any suggestions or comments, please let us know through the comment section below. So this is the corn fudge ready. So keep watching. Until then, goodbye.